Hello everyone, welcome back to Craftgenic. In this video, I'm going to make a beautiful and easy Teacher's Day gift idea together with a greeting card. First, we need a cardboard to cut a square with dimensions as 21 cm width. Fold the square as I'm doing here. We can cut this in any shape we like. For this side, I'm going to paste a color A4. Okay, in here we can write any message we would like to tell our teacher. Okay, let's see how to make this flower. We need to cut 3 squares from a color A4, dimensions as 10 cm width. Okay, let's see how to fold the paper. You can use this flower for any kind of crafting work you are doing. Okay, follow the same steps for all 4 sides. So, if you are interested in our crafting work, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this. Okay, one section is done. We need 3 like this to make the flower. Glue the 3 sections to complete the flower. And now you can open the petals as I'm doing here. Okay, flower is done. let's cut some leaves. So this is the gift I'm going to give to my teacher. Now I'm attaching it to the card using a ribbon. Okay, now we can paste the flower and the leaves we made. And now I'm going to decorate my card using some pearls and sequins. Okay, our card is ready. Now we are going to make a wrapper for it. Cut a square from a color A4, dimensions as 15 cm in width. I'm decorating this paper mat to paste on the wrapper. Okay, as the last step, I'm going to cut a beautiful butterfly from glitter sheets. You can use this card for any occasion, as birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day. Okay, let's paste the butterfly. With that step, we have finished our card. Hope you enjoyed our video today. So, give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this.